Today, as you listen to these words, something inside you begins to rise again because God is reminding you that your story is not finished, your journey is not stuck, and your future is not closed. You have been walking through storms that tried to silence your spirit in battles, that tried to weaken your confidence, but you continued moving even on the days when your strength felt small and your hope felt far away. God saw every moment you pushed forward when giving up would have been easier, and He is preparing a shift in your life that will make you grateful you kept going when everything around you told you to stop. You are entering a season where the pressure that weighed on you will begin to lift, and the doors that stayed closed will begin opening at the right time. Nothing has been wasted. Every setback taught you something. Every delay shaped you. Every disappointment redirected you. And every quiet prayer you whispered in exhaustion reached the one who never stopped listening. You may not realize it, but you have been growing silently in ways that are about to become visible. The strength you built during difficult days is becoming the foundation for your elevation. The wisdom you gained from pain is becoming the clarity you need for your decisions ahead. The patience you learned in waiting seasons is becoming the key that protects your next blessings. You have been stretched but not broken. You have been tested but not defeated. You have been slowed but not stopped. God is bringing you into a chapter where your effort will finally match your results and your faith will finally meet your breakthrough. There are moments in life when everything feels uncertain and you struggle to understand why things aren't happening the way you hoped. But God wants you to know that He was never ignoring you. He was preparing you. You were not denied. You were being developed. The reason some things didn't work out is because He had something better in store. Something more stable, more meaningful, more aligned with the future He designed for you. Every closed door was protection. Every rejection was redirection. Every loss was making space for something greater. You didn't come this far just to stay in the same place. Growth is calling your name. Success is moving toward you. A breakthrough you thought was lost is coming back around in a better form. God is shaping you into someone who is ready to handle the blessings coming your way. You are becoming wiser with your choices, stronger with your boundaries, calmer with your emotions, and clearer with your purpose. The version of you that is emerging is powerful, steady, focused, disciplined, and ready. You are stepping into a mindset where fear controls you and doubt no longer distracts you. You are stepping into a season where opportunities will start matching your preparation and people will start recognizing your value in ways they never did before. What you have been carrying all this time is about to be rewarded in ways that feel almost unbelievable. God is moving things behind the scenes even when you feel nothing shifting. Sometimes He works quietly. Sometimes He moves slowly. Sometimes He changes everything all at once. And right now, He is aligning circumstances, adjusting paths, and repositioning you for something bigger than what you prayed for. You may not see it yet, but events are unfolding in your favor. The right conversations are forming. The right people are being guided toward you. The right timing is lining up. The right ideas are waking up inside you. Your life is preparing for elevation. There is nothing accidental about your journey. Every high and every low has played a part in shaping the person you are becoming. God uses seasons of waiting to prepare your character and seasons of struggle to strengthen your spirit. He uses moments of isolation to reveal purpose and moments of directionless wandering to guide you back to the path meant for you. You have been learning, even when you didn't realize it. You have been maturing, even when you felt lost. You have been progressing, even when it felt like nothing was moving. And now your growth is ready to meet your opportunities. God is telling you that the time is coming when what once felt difficult will become easier. What once felt blocked will become possible, and what once felt delayed will arrive faster than expected. Your blessings are not just coming, they are gathering momentum. You are stepping into a future where your confidence will feel natural. Your decisions will feel clear, and your life will feel aligned. This next chapter will not feel like the last one. This time you will rise without the heaviness. This time you will build without the fear. This time you will succeed without the setbacks that once held you back. Your spirit is evolving into something unstoppable. You are learning how to protect your peace, how to trust your intuition, how to walk with faith even when you can't see the outcome, and how to believe in yourself even when circumstances challenge you. You are stepping into a higher version of yourself, and that version of you is ready for everything that is coming. Nothing in your life is random. Nothing in your journey is wasted. Every chapter has been preparing you for a moment when everything finally aligns. And that moment is approaching. There are seasons where You feel forgotten where your prayers feel unanswered, where time feels slow and nothing seems to move forward, but God wants you to know that your waiting season has been working for you more than you think. He was shaping your heart, strengthening your character, sharpening your wisdom, and preparing your spirit for the blessings that are now coming toward you. You are not stuck. You were being prepared, and now you are stepping into a season where the things that once felt impossible will begin to flow into your life with ease. The anxiety you carried will begin to lift. The confusion that clouded your mind will begin to fade, and the heaviness on your spirit will start to dissolve, because God is replacing everything that hurt you with everything you prayed for. You are moving into a chapter where peace will guide you, where clarity will comfort you, where strength will rise inside you, and where you will finally understand why you went through so much. You are becoming someone who can handle what you once dreamed of. The challenges that tried to break you actually built you. The storms you survived taught you resilience. The disappointments you faced taught you wisdom. The delays you endured taught you patience. Nothing you experienced was wasted. Everything served a purpose. God uses every chapter of your life, even the painful ones, to prepare you for the blessings He already arranged with your name on them. You may not feel it yet, but something new is waking up inside you. The tired version of you is fading, and a stronger version of you is rising. A version that trusts more, fears less, believes deeper, and understands that everything happens with divine timing. You are stepping into a future where you will no longer question if you are worthy, because God is about to prove that you were chosen. You are stepping into a future where you will no longer fear losing, because God is giving you blessings that no one can take away. You are stepping into a future where you will no longer chase what is meant for you, because what is meant for you will come with ease and certainty. God is whispering into your spirit that you are not forgotten, you are not behind, you are not overlooked, you are being positioned. Every prayer you thought was ignored is actually being answered in a way you will understand very soon. Every moment you felt alone was a moment God was carrying you. You didn't lose anything that was meant to stay, and everything that left is making room for something better. Your story is shifting from struggle to strength, from burden to breakthrough, from loss to purpose, and from confusion to clarity.